What's up, YouTubers? Hey, I don't know what the hell this thing is. I'm guessing it's something like a dehumidifier or some sort. But we do have the manual inside. And I'm guessing I got it sitting on its side. So let's take a peek at it and see if we can figure out what's inside this thing. So I'm gonna grab this Allen wrench. I'm gonna set this camera up. Grab this Allen wrench and so we can see what's inside of it. Sorry about that, folks. Alright. Okay. Come on, stay away from the camera. Alright. We got a 9, a 5, 30 seconds Allen wrench for the screw. Screw is bent. It's a long screw. There's 2 of them. But we want to see what's on the inside of this thing without bending up the metal. Okay. It's kind of flimsy. Get a flat head and pop this thing out. That's a heavy piece of metal. Okay, well, looks like we have a copper radiator. Got an electric motor in here, copper motor. And I'm sure we have some nice wirings in there and some more copper bearings, motor bearings up inside. At the same time, we have a lot of metal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this out and get this off. This is the good part. We're gonna take the copper out of that, and I'm gonna open this up so we can see what we're working with. Okay. Now pop a few screws out with the Phillips screwdriver. There's only 3 screws holding this thing. Set this over here in the meantime. Okay. Well, looks like we just have some wiring inside. Take it closer. As you can see, the switch, on and off switch there. That's some nice insulated wiring there. Let's connect it to the motor, of course. So that's all easy to pull out. So basically, all we have is a nice copper radiator and an electric motor and maybe a couple of ounces of wiring with copper inside. We'll take that out as well. You know, once we break the motor down, we'll bust that open and get the copper out, and it'll be a lot more worth, 12 cents a pound for the whole motor, you know. So you gotta have pretty much tons and tons of those motors in order to see any profit. But right now, the only value in this thing is the copper radiator and the electric motor. And today's prices on sheet iron is very poor, very low. I don't know what the cause of it is, but I'm sure it's something to do with war. They're not pumping metal to, you know, to the army or military of some sort. Then we're not going to make any bucks. Unfortunately, it's that way. But this is dehumidifier. I got this one. I have also this one. There's a lot of copper inside these things. This one has a compressor on it. I have another one over here that's a lot bigger, and we have one more, and all of them got the copper radiators inside, but only two of them have the compressors in there. So the good part about it is we'll be able to make some money off of the copper radiator and the electric motor. Now what I've been doing is cutting these off. I wanted to get this radiator out of here. Put those copper pieces on. You can see here's that one piece that plugs in through some form of compressor, piping where the water flow. Make sure you use safety equipment, of course, when you're dealing with these things. It's easy to change it. Alright, so be able to bend this thing. There we go. Alright, now we have a nice copper radiator. Got a little weight on it. And all we have left is the electric motor. It's only held by about 3 bolts. So get that out of there, disconnect it, cut these wires, and the rest of it is just a hunk of sheet iron, I mean. And I think it's going for like 60 bucks a ton. So that ain't even worth looking at. So we're just looking for the shiny stuff and things that's worth more than a buck or two. Okay, YouTubers, hope you had fun. Like, subscribe, and comment on the video.